got the 10,200 BTU Samsung installed in the living room over here. There will be more on this air conditioner in my heatwave video when I get it uploaded. I figured I'd make just a short little separate video of it running. But yeah, it's included quite a bit in my heatwave video. But yeah, it runs great. Gets ice cold. Really like these units. The reason this was installed is basically we tried to put the 12,400 BTU GE in here because we needed a bigger unit because the house just wasn't getting cool enough, and the wiring over here, or the electrical service, just couldn't handle the 12,400 BTU. The compressor kept stalling because the voltage was getting too low, so I ended up putting this one in, and it seems to be working pretty well. It's doing its best to cool off a very large downstairs floor that gets very hot. So there's nothing wrong with the sharp unit that I took out of here. We just needed to try something different. The 12,400 didn't work out, so we put this one in. And it's nice and clean because I washed it out back in the spring of 2025. Yeah, it's running great.